And an update tonight on this controversial CHP shooting from 2021. Today, the California Department of Justice says there is not enough evidence to charge the officers that shot and killed Leonel Chavez after responding to a crash in El Sereno. Officers said Chavez tried to take their gun. Dashcam video released by Chavez's attorney shows the officers backing away from Chavez before fatally shooting him. Chavez was unarmed when he was shot. And let's bring in KCAL assignment editor Mike Rogers live at the desk now. Mike, while the DOJ cleared the officers, their report did make some recommendations, right? Yeah,
Pat, several recommendations. One of those is that CHP officers should be wearing body cameras. CHP officers currently not required to do so. They do have that dash cam video that we showed you, and it is tied to microphones that the officers wear. However, this report says those microphones were muted at times and not even activated during the time of the shooting, as they should have been during, according to CHP policy. I want to show you a transcript here from this report. In part says Officer Castaneda can be seen pointing and monitoring to Officer Sanchez to come toward him. Then they move to the side of the patrol car out of the view of the camera. At this time, Officer Castaneda can be heard on the other officer's audio because that first officer turned his audio off, forcefully instructing Officer Sanchez to don't say expletive to anybody. Officer Sanchez then mutes her microphone, and then it reactivates later after the conversation with Officer Castaneda is over. The report goes on to say the video and audio evidence presented to DOJ raises a concern that muting of the audio system could have prevented the collection of valuable evidence at the scene. And Pat, the DOJ report also goes on to say that there were issues with rendering medical aid, saying it took officers 4.5 minutes to approach Chavez after they had finished firing shots at him. Also noted in here was that the officer who fatally shot Chavez was a field training officer and failed to communicate with his training partner about how they should approach the situation. Now, we've reached out to CHP for comments on all of these recommendations issued in this DOJ report. So far, they've not responded to me. We've also reached out to the attorneys of the family representing, the attorneys of the attorneys for the family of Mr. Chavez, who call this decision outrageous. They say they will continue their civil case against the CHP and the state of California, Pat.
All right, we will see how this develops. Thank you so much, Mike.